In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban words on Discord. If you manage a Discord server, setting up banned words can help keep conversations cleaner, reduce spam, and make moderation much easier. Discord includes this through AutoMod, and once you know where to look, the setup is pretty straightforward. To begin, open your server settings. You can do this by clicking your server name in the top left corner of Discord, then selecting Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where most of your moderation and server management tools are located. Once you're in the settings area, look over to the left sidebar and find AutoMod. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Safety Setup or Moderation. Click that to open Discord's automatic moderation tools. This section lets you create rules that can automatically respond to certain types of messages without needing a moderator to step in every time. Next, locate the Custom Keyword Rule option and click Create. This is the rule you'll use for blocking specific words, phrases, or even certain text patterns that you don't want appearing in your server. Now, in the Choose Your Keywords text box, enter the words or phrases you want to ban. Make sure each one is separated with a comma so Discord can recognize them as individual entries. It's a good idea to review this list carefully before saving, especially if you want to avoid blocking harmless words by accident. After that, choose the action you want Discord to take when someone uses one of those banned words. You can block the message so it never gets sent. Send an alert to a private staff logging channel so moderators are notified, or automatically time out the user for a set amount of time, such as 60 seconds or even an hour, depending on how strict you want the rule to be. Once everything looks right, click Save. After that, your banned word filter will be active and working automatically in your server.